The 65-foot hose kit and airless spray gun, model 3600 PSI, is perfect for homeowners and do-it-yourself enthusiasts looking to apply various coatings such as primers and varnishes. Featuring a comfortable full four-finger trigger and built-in hose swivel, the spray gun ensures easy maneuverability and user comfort during extensive projects. With a maximum working pressure of 3,600 pounds per square inch, the airless paint hose offers reliable performance with its quarter-inch female swivel-nut connections and spring guards. Its compatibility with many sprayer brands enhances its versatility, allowing users to extend their sprayer's reach to higher areas without sacrificing efficiency. The hose's polyurethane cover provides flexibility and abrasion resistance, while the zinc-plated spring guards add a layer of corrosion protection, making it suitable for various architectural paints. This comprehensive kit includes an 8-inch extension pole and a tip guard with a 517 tip, enhancing its functionality for diverse painting tasks.